What is the additional child tax credit? The additional child tax credit is a refundable tax benefit given to eligible families with qualifying children when the regular child tax credit is larger than the taxes they owe. In simple words, the additional child tax credit allows families to receive money back from the government even if they do not owe enough taxes. Normally, a tax credit reduces the amount of tax a person must pay. However, some tax credits are refundable. This means taxpayers can receive a refund even if their tax liability becomes zero. The additional child tax credit is the refundable portion of the child tax credit. It helps low-income and middle-income families receive financial support for raising children. To qualify, taxpayers must have a qualifying child who meets certain conditions such as age, relationship, residency, and citizenship requirements. The child must usually be under a specific age limit and live with the taxpayer for more than half the year. The amount of credit depends on earned income and the number of eligible children. If the regular child tax credit reduces taxes to zero, but some credit remains unused, that unused portion may be refunded as the additional child tax credit. This credit is designed to support working families by increasing household income. It can help cover essential expenses such as food, education, housing, and childcare. Tax authorities calculate the refundable amount using income thresholds and specific formulas. Because tax laws change over time, eligibility rules and credit amounts may vary each year. In simple terms, the additional child tax credit gives extra tax refunds to families with children when their tax credit is larger than their tax bill. Easy way to remember. Additional child tax credit means extra refundable money for families with children.